Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to put back this door hinge that disengages from this one. So the problem is that over time this hole tends to enlarge because of the constant open and door opening. So what we are going to do is we're going to put a washer onto this screw so that it doesn't pass through that hole again. For me, it's not yet time to replace this because this is still working. We just need to re-engage it. Okay, that's how easy it is. Now let's try to close it back. If there is an overlap, we may need to adjust. Okay, let's do some minor adjustment in here. And let's try. Okay. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.